Hello and welcome back to my channel. The keto diet has become increasingly popular in recent years as a way to lose weight and improve overall health. But is it really as effective as people claim? In this video, we'll explore the pros and cons of the keto diet. Let's start with the pros. One of the biggest benefits of the keto diet is that it can lead to significant weight loss. By restricting carbohydrates and increasing fat intake, your body enters a state of ketosis, where it burns fat for fuel instead of glucose. The keto diet can also improve heart health by reducing triglyceride levels, lowering blood pressure, and increasing HDL cholesterol, the good cholesterol. Some people report increased energy levels and improved exercise performance on the keto diet, as the body is able to efficiently use stored fat for energy. However, there are also some cons to the keto diet. One common side effect is digestive issues, such as constipation, diarrhea, and nausea. This is because the diet is low in fiber and can be hard for some people to digest. Another potential downside is the keto flu, which can occur when your body is adapting to the diet. Symptoms can include fatigue, headaches, and brain fog. The keto diet can also be difficult to sustain long-term, as it requires strict adherence to a low-carb, high-fat diet. Many people find it challenging to maintain this type of eating pattern over time. Finally, the keto diet can be expensive, as it often involves purchasing higher-priced foods like grass-fed beef, organic produce, and healthy fats like avocado and coconut oil. In conclusion, while the keto diet can be an effective way to lose weight and improve certain health markers, it's important to consider the potential downsides as well. As with any diet, it's important to speak with a healthcare professional before starting the keto diet to determine if it's right for you. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos on health and wellness.